Some people can drink it straight and they be straight. Me, I need to have a little sweetener on some 8 ounces, okay? Because, you know, I get like 2-3 ounces down and I got to drink the rest. I don't need to be drinking it and be like, damn, they're about to throw up. I don't need that, okay? Got to have a little bit of sweetness added to that bad boy. Then a pinch. You can't measure that. It's with your fingers. Pinch, pinch. That's it. One pinch of sea salt or Himalaya salt or Celtic salt. These are the 3 powerhouses that you can kind of like use in your home when it comes to salt. Don't be just buying any old kind of salt, because them types other than any salt other than that allegedly cuts up your arteries inside your body. So throw it out if it's in your house. Allegedly, it cuts up your arteries inside your body and creates all kinds of issues and blood clots and you know, blockages in your arteries that lead to your heart and your lungs. Okay. Anyways, that's one recipe. Here's the directions on how to, it ain't really, I don't need no direction with that. Y'all already know what to do. You know, if you want to know the directions, you can actually make a whole, you know, picture that if you want to. And then you know what to use when you're measuring the 8 ounces when it comes to the teaspoon of activated charcoal. And you can kind of make a big batch that'll last a week and do it from there. Okay. Some people do that. And this also helps with your, we'll get into that. Activated charcoal is a beast when it comes to your teeth. Okay. Matter of fact, I'm finna order some of that right now because I want my teeth to be just a little bit whiter. Just a little bit. You know, you can add some activated charcoal with some coconut. Yeah. Some coconut oil. Ooh, that bad boy is a beast. Coconut is an oil pulling. It will pull toxins out. Activated charcoal will do the same thing. And both of them together will make your teeth white. Anyways, next, press 4 if you're ready for the next recipe. I want to make sure you have at least 3 of them bad boys. Okay. Press 4 if you're ready for the next recipe. That was the blood cleanse one. All right. And the reason why it's called, I like to call it activated charcoal lemonade. You know, you add a half a lemon to that bad boy. Let me see if I got people right here pressing 4. Yeah, I got some people that press 4. Got some people that press 4. Okay, this one right here is called a chlorophyll power cleanser. So you're going to mix some chlorophyll with the activated charcoal, because a lot of people don't know that chlorophyll is right there up in Walmart. See, one thing about the Europeans and United States of America, they know what you don't know. They know in that supplement section what to get and go home and make a concoction with. They know what to go look for on Amazon. You be like, what is that? So chlorophyll is a beast with doing an internal cleanser. That's one of some elixir that I usually give to family members when they're going through some major pain. I got me some new weapons when people going through, you know, sciatic. Okay, they're going through major arthritis. They're going through some major back pain, and they just going through pain period. You're like, man, why I have a body aches? I got me a chlorophyll recipe that's, take this. It's nasty. It don't taste good. The people have dealt with me enough in the community. That's why I want to create a lot of y'all in your own community so you can help out. You ain't got to be making no money on this. You could just do these things to help love. I'm thinking I'm gonna put a book out. I gotta put a book out, tiny little secrets that I use on a regular basis in the community. That's y'all can have the recipes and you could do it yourself. You know, press 6 if you want me to put that together. I'll put it together. It's gonna take me a minute, but I'll put it together. Anyways, so write this down right here. This bad boy is a charcoal plus chlorophyll power cleanser. Oh, got me some people that put 6. It's gonna take me a few months, but I'll put it together. Just right here, so you can have it all in one area. All right. This one right here is a deep blood oxygenation, okay? It detoxes the liver, the kidneys, when it's overload, and you thinking on overload because you can't feel it, okay? You can have this midday or after your major evening meal, okay? So that's right. The ingredients is right here. 8 to 10 ounces of water, 8 to 10 ounces of water. This one right here should be titled Charcoal Chlorophyll Cleanser, all right? Charcoal Chlorophyll Cleanser, all right? So 8 to 10 ounces of spring water or distilled water, same thing. 1 teaspoon, same thing, teaspoon, TSP, all right? Activated charcoal powder, all right? Food grade. We always stay in food grade. We don't want any old body selling you some activated charcoal. They might be putting charcoal coals in a bag and grinding them up and you buy it. You just make sure, because when they put that's one thing about Amazon and Walmart, they make sure them individuals don't be lying. They can't lie. And they check them out and make sure it is full grade. That's why it's different for a lot of natural healers to get into these stores and because they don't play around with supplements. Anyways, okay, so 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder, Okay, one tablespoon, moderate, see if you can find that chlorophyll for it. 1 tablespoon of liquid chlorophyll. Okay, you can get yourself a mint flavor or alfalfa based flavor. They even shut me down on YouTube for showing y'all links or pictures. Someone else in my team got to show y'all. So some of y'all, that chlorophyll might be hard to spell. It's C as in Charlie, H as in Henry, O as in Oscar, R as in Robert, and then they'll come up and put another O as in Oscar behind that R. Chlorophyll should pop up, okay? Chlorophyll. You want to get 1 tablespoon of liquid chlorophyll, mint or alfalfa based, okay? Mint or alfalfa based. Got a whole bunch of them out there because people know your palates, okay? Stay focused. Now you can have yourself a half of lemon juice. Same, but this time is not a lemon. This is a lime. So you want to have a half of lime, cut in half and squeeze it up in that bad boy. Because this is going to help deliver it, break it up. It's that acidic, that will actually alkaline when it hits your body. That's what the lemon and lime would do. That's the magic of the body. People know these secrets and y'all heard about it. Okay. And then the last but not least is a half a teaspoon, not a tablespoon, because y'all love taking yourself 2-3 tablespoons. Ain't gonna hurt, but it's enough. You want everything else we don't want this apple cider vinegar to overpower. So a half a teaspoon TSP of apple cider vinegar. So that's the recipe of this right here. 8 ounces to 10 ounces of spring water or distilled water, 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder, 1 tablespoon of chlorophyll, mint or alfalfa base, and half of 1 lime squeeze inside, and half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This bad boy will actually cleanse, and you don't need to do a lot of this. You do this for like 3 days. 3 days, it is powerful. Okay, so I would, if you have off days, try to have 2 off days, because some of y'all, this might have you go to the restroom, and it might be a diuretic for you and give you bubble guts. Because if you're getting bubble guts, that means you got a lot going on inside your digestive tract, and your body's like, hey, I'm not used to you cleansing the gut out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm giving you little secrets that a lot of natural healers won't give you. They only want you to buy from their store. This ain't what we're doing. Kareem wants you to have home remedies, and you start purchasing these things, and you can use it when you feel need be. Okay? That's what it is. That's what it is. We don't need to go through no rocket sciences on how you blend it and whatnot. Everybody know what's up, how you supposed to stir stuff in a cup and whatever. If you don't know, you ain't no grown adult. We ain't talking to no 10 and 12, 13 years here. They don't supposed to be here. Matter of fact, I got to watch even saying ages. They be tripping. Last but not least, press 5 if you're ready for the last recipe, because we getting into past the 30-minute mark right here. Press 5. If you're ready for the last recipe. I want you to have some little nuggets. Yeah, 1 teaspoon. There, somebody put it there. Good. I want you to have a little nuggets, because a lot of people don't want to get these nuggets up here for you, because I'm telling y'all, you can pick one. You don't have to eat all of these. You pick which one you want to use that you like. I want to make sure you understand. You don't have to do these recipes, all 3 of them, okay? Press 7 if you understand. You do not have to do all 3 of these. Pick one that you like, because they're all blood related. When it comes to activated charcoal, it's all liver and kidney related. So please press 7. Thank you. I don't want you getting lost thinking, I need to do all 3 of these for this. No. So I'm glad I put it out there. No question is a dumb question. All right. So this last one here is this right here. Okay. This one is a liver and kidney flush. This is a gentle overnight detox. Those individuals that don't want to do nothing in the morning, they don't want to do it before or after they meal. This one is gentle overnight. Okay, especially good for those with sluggish digestion, when they have issues with digestive issues and they're on medication. Individuals that's on medication. But the best time before bed, 3 hours after dinner. So this is called few hours after you had your heaviest meal, 3 hours before you go to bed. No, this is before you go to bed, not 3 hours before you go to 3 hours after your heaviest meal, but before bed. So you can kind of have it and go night-night. Okay. All right. This ingredient right here is 1 cup. I don't know why I said 1 cup. It's the same thing. 1 cup. We all know 1 cup is 8 ounces. So 8 ounces, again, of distilled water or spring water, but it's warm. Ooh, and they already taught you the power of tea. I done already taught you the power of warm water. Get that digestive tract moving, and it helps out the kidneys. The reason why warm is so powerful is because the body's temperature, you can just put a little thermometer underneath your tongue and you'll find out what your temperature is, and basically of your body and your blood. It's right there at that 96, 97. So if you already at that number of temperature, but you're drinking cold water or room temperature, the body has to adjust it. But if you give it that temperature, it don't take long for warm water to like be at that number where you at. Don't think you can just put it on a pot and just go and, oh, I touch it. That's 97. No, that's hot. That's probably over 120. And you like, oh, I could touch it. It's fine. You want to make sure you test it so you can know what's what. Even the tap water out your faucet is too hot. You literally have to gauge it. You want to find out how you do it. It's warm water, really warm water. Just heat it up real quick for like less than myself. Don't be sticking it in no microwave. Come on, man. We ain't trying to turn your distilled water and spring water into radiation water. Okay. Come on, stop being lazy. Just sit there and get it, put it on the pot, warm up for less than 20 seconds. It's a wrap. You don't even need that long, probably 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. So anyways, 8 ounces of distilled water or spring water, half a teaspoon of activated charcoal, half a teaspoon. All right.